Mastering DevSecOps implementation. Security is everyone's job, period. Where do we establish clear boundaries and collaborative workflows to ensure that security becomes a shared responsibility across our development, operations, and security teams, and that each team understands its roles and responsibilities in maintaining a secure and compliant technology ecosystem? Establishing clear boundaries and collaborative workflows is crucial to ensure that security becomes a shared responsibility across development, operations, and security teams. This can be achieved by implementing the following strategies. 1. Define RAGI matrix. Create a RAGI, responsibility assignment matrix, that clearly outlines the roles and responsibilities of each team member in the development, operations, and security teams. This matrix should define who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for each task, milestone, and decision related to security and compliance. 2. Establish clear communication channels. Set up regular meetings and open communication channels to ensure that team members from different departments can collaborate and share information seamlessly. This can include daily stand-ups, weekly progress meetings, and monthly security reviews. 3. Implement a shared vision and goals. Develop a shared vision and set of goals that align with the organization's overall objectives. This will help team members understand how their individual roles contribute to the bigger picture and foster a sense of shared responsibility. 4. Define security and compliance requirements. Establish clear security and compliance requirements that are integrated into the development lifecycle. This can include threat modeling, secure coding practices, vulnerability management, and compliance with regulatory requirements. 5. Integrate security into the C/CD pipeline. Incorporate security tools and checks into the continuous integration and continuous deployment C/CD pipeline to ensure that security is integrated into the development process from the outset. This can include static application security testing (SAST), dynamic application security testing (DAST), and dependency scanning. 6. Conduct regular security training and awareness. Provide regular security training and awareness programs for team members to educate them on the latest security threats, best practices, and compliance requirements. This can include phishing simulations, security workshops, and lunch and learn sessions. 7. Empower teams with security tools and resources. Provide teams with the necessary security tools and resources to perform their jobs effectively. This can include security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR) platforms, incident response plans, and threat intelligence feeds. 8. Establish a culture of transparency and feedback. Foster a culture of transparency and feedback where team members feel encouraged to report security incidents, vulnerabilities, or concerns without fear of retribution. This can include anonymous reporting mechanisms and a blameless post-incident review process. 9. Develop a continuous monitoring and improvement process. Implement a continuous monitoring and improvement process to identify areas for improvement and optimize security and compliance processes. This can include regular security audits, compliance assessments, and process maturity evaluations. 10. Recognize and reward security contributions. Recognize and reward team members who make significant contributions to the security and compliance posture of the organization. This can include security champions programs, recognition awards, and career development opportunities. 11. Establish a governance structure. Establish a governance structure that provides oversight and guidance on security and compliance matters. This can include a security steering committee, compliance office, or audit committee. 12. Develop a security and compliance policy framework. Develop a security and compliance policy framework that outlines the organization's policies, standards, and procedures for security and compliance. This can include password policies, access control policies, and incident response policies. By implementing these strategies, development, operations, and security teams can work collaboratively to ensure that security becomes a shared responsibility, and each team member understands their roles and responsibilities in maintaining a secure and compliant technology ecosystem.